Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I'm here with John and Mette. What are we gonna cut today?
Today we're going to create an undercut with a messy hair on top.
Inspired from the famous Instagrammer Toni Mahfud. Are you up for it?
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
Behind and see what will come. Scared of talking, drowning my thoughts around. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and terrified. I like when you traverse my mind. What I've seen is enough, and I'm scared to do too much. Laugh at my problems, even when I should look up to what's behind and see what will come. But no, I bite my tongue, hoping nobody will hear. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and terrified. I like when you traverse my mind. Drove as far as we could to ignore what's around, ignore all expectations, even when we should own out to what's behind and see what will come. God, no, scared of talking, drowning my thoughts around. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and terrified. I like when you traverse my mind. What I've seen is enough, and I'm scared to do too much. Laugh at my problems, even when I should look up to what's behind and see what will come. But no, I bite my tongue, hoping nobody will hear. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and terrified. I like when you traverse my mind.
we're almost done. What do you think about the hairstyle?
I love it. Thank you.
How did you cut it?
So I cut 6 millimeters on the side, made an undercut from ears to front, and then kept most of his length on top. Yes.
As always, remember to write in the comment section down below and let Mette know how she did a great job. And hit the like button, be a subscriber to the channel, and you can win some nice by Vilain hair products. See you guys next time.